What's going on, everyone? Jake here again. Today I've got another record unboxing video. I did, well, not really an unboxing, but I've done a video similar to this before with records. If you want to see more of this kind of stuff, I got lots of them. So leave a comment if you want to see more videos of records and music type stuff. But anyways, I've got a really special one here today. A buddy of mine, I think it's been a couple weeks ago now, told me about this company called Mondo that makes really cool custom limited edition records. They do posters. They probably do other stuff, but a lot of soundtrack type stuff for different movies and games. And but he showed me this one they were dropping for Portal 2, which if you've never played the Portal games, like I say, obviously there was two of them, and I think they were on Xbox 360 originally. That's what I played them on. I don't know if they were on PC. I'm guessing they probably were. Anyways, they were two of my very favorite games, and they're kind of like a puzzle. You run through. You got all these different rooms and stuff. You got to figure out where to go, how to get through the rooms. There's a lot more that goes into it, but it's, let's say, a really cool game. If you've never played it, definitely recommend checking that one out. Anyway, so they dropped this, like I say, limited edition. I don't remember how many there were. I don't know if it's said. Maybe 2,000, maybe a little more, a little less. I don't remember exactly. But I do know they sold out in under 15 minutes. So I was very lucky to get my hands on one. They posted what time they were dropping, and I had a timer set and everything. And as soon as, I was kept the page open, and as soon as it hit, I think it was 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock here, and as soon as 1 o'clock hit, I refreshed the page, bought it, so I scored it. Anyways, I'm going to go ahead and open it up here. I got it earlier today, so I've been patiently waiting to open it. Of course, I wanted to do a video on it. So let's get it open up. It's in a really nice heavy-duty box, which is good. Make sure that nothing happened to it. Oh wow, so opening it up here, we have a, what looks like a little comic book. Oh, this is pretty cool. Got all kinds of, how well you can see, but little toys and records, some stuff that they have for sale. That's very cool. This is my, whatever you call it. Got my invoice, I guess you can call it. Alright. So, go ahead and pull it out. Oh, it is very big. That's why it's in a very big box. Oh, and they've got it cardboard on both sides. Very well packaged. Really nice box. I might hang on to this. Okay. So, let's get into it a little more. Very impressed with the packaging. Although it is a little tricky to figure out how it all comes undone. Oh, there we go. It's in multiple pieces here. There we go. Okay. This is the front, so here we are. There it is. Try and get the rest of this off. There we go. Hopefully you can see okay. It's a great big, thick case here. That's got a, I forget what you call this, but it's got a sleeve. This slides off. Let me bring you in for a closer look. Alright, zoom out here. So here it is. Songs to Test By is what it's called. It's a 5 LP, and I believe they're all colored. I believe this is the different colors. So I don't remember. I bought it a couple weeks ago. I didn't really look into it too much. They had a little teaser video on their Instagram um, that pretty much sold me on it. I was like, I gotta have it. Special access required. And then back here, Aperture Laboratories. My very first truck I ever had that I bought with my own money and everything. I had a sticker that was this, and I had it on the back window. Probably 7 or 8 years ago. And it's got the little character here. Mondo, this is their logo. Like I say, look them up. They have a website, Instagram, probably other places. GLaDOS compliant. If you've played the Portal games, you'll know who GLaDOS is. But very cool, very nice packaging. Well, not packaging, but cover, case, whatever you want to call it. Anyways, let's go ahead and pull the shrink wrap off of it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and get the shrink wrap off. Although I am tempted to just not even open it at all and just set it on the shelf, but what fun is that? You know, obviously it'll hold its value being unopened, but I don't really plan on selling it. I didn't buy it to sell it, so what is the point of keeping it shrink wrapped up? So let me very carefully try and get into this. I don't have the best knife. I just have a kitchen knife that I grabbed, but it will work. Hopefully. It's not working very well at the moment. There we go. Alright. Get it all off. Alright. There we go. I'm going to say this will slide off. Set it aside. Alright. Got all that off. So here we go. I'm going to open it up. Oh. Carefully open it up. Okay. It says, caution, experiment discontinued. Do not proceed, do not loiter. And of course I'll bring you in for a closer look again here in a second. Let me move this stuff out of here. And the knife. And we have another little thing here. This way. It's final warning, turn back now. Okay. So, if you don't know who this is supposed to be, well actually this is just the logo, but once again, if you played the Portal games, this is supposed to be all of the cores. And when you pull, actually I think, I just have a blank, looks like a TV screen shutting off. But here's the middle one, so that's the Aperture logo. And some stuff on the back. So then each one of these sections has is one of the records that they come out of here. They're supposed to. Do not want to tear this up. There it goes. Comes out of here, and it is all the different eyeballs for all the different cores. It's really cool. And then, as I believe, yep, all of the records are the corresponding colors. Super cool. The decals are great. And then I'll slide back in. pull each one of them out here to show you. Kind of hard to get out. I think they're all stuck on something. Get out of there. What the? Okay, so I went through and wiggled them all out. They were all kind of stuck in there a little bit. Anyways, pulling them out, all the different eyes, all matching color, and this is super cool. Shout out to my boy, the Quiet One. Go check him out. He's the one that told me about this thing. Pink one. Pink vinyl. And then last one is this one here. My cat is falling all over on a dark blue. So very nice looking, super cool. Let me pull you guys down for a close-up again. Okay, so go ahead and open it all back up. Whoop. So you've got this little, we'll call them stickers. This little sticker here. And open it up again. You've got this one. Alright. And then lastly we have this one here. And it opens up to the center. I'm going to say all of these. I didn't take this one out, did I? Maybe I did. Another blue one. So on the back of all of them, they're numbered, and of course have what songs or whatever is on them. And this little stuff here. Very cool. So I'll pull each one out. They don't stick on me again. There's this one. Hopefully you can see okay. This one here. Side A. Doesn't say side B. Oh, there it is right there. I didn't even notice. Side B is right there. But super cool logos and everything. I like how they all look like stickers slapped on there. Even a little made it look like the corner's peeling up on it. Flip them all over this way. And this one here. But just super cool design. And there you have it. And so I went ahead and pulled them all out of their sleeves. Get a better look at them. And of course on all the backs I'll have just these logos here, and like I say, they're all numbered. Number 1. And I love that they all have the Aperture logo and all that. Just super cool, super great design. But yeah, there you go. So there you have it, guys. Let me know what you think of this thing. I think it's absolutely amazing. I can't wait to listen to it. Um, let's say these some of my two of my favorite games growing up, and I actually played them not that long ago. Let's say I played them originally, which I still have them, on the Xbox 360, and now I've got a Series X, and the Series X will actually play 360 games on it. So I actually played through the first and second one a couple months ago, and I actually beat both of them within just a couple days. I just whizzed right through them. Yeah, they're pretty good. Um, but anyways, yeah, sorry. I know this video is probably a little messy and all over the place, but hopefully you still enjoyed it anyhow. But yeah, let me know what you think. Of course, smash that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. And have a good one.